In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Gmail app subscription. This process can be quite straightforward once you know exactly where to look and what to do. So let's break it down step by step to ensure you have no trouble along the way. First, start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or smartphone. You'll want to go to the Google search engine, which is often the homepage for many of us. If not, simply type www.google.com in your address bar and hit enter. Once there, you'll need to locate the search bar. This is usually prominently displayed in the center of the page. Here, type in "How to cancel Gmail app subscription" and press enter to initiate the search. Google will then present you with a variety of resources, but what you're looking for is the official Google support page related to managing subscriptions. Now that you've arrived on the support page, take a moment to scan over the information to familiarize yourself with the process. It's beneficial to read through Google's instructions so you fully understand all options and implications before making any changes. Once you've got the lay of the land, you'll need to open the Gmail app on your device if you haven't already done so. If you're on a desktop, ensure you're logged into your Google account by checking the profile icon at the top right of the screen. If it shows your usual profile picture or initial, you're good to go. From there, head to the account settings within your Gmail app. On most devices, this can be found by clicking on your profile icon again and selecting Manage Your Google Account from the drop-down menu. This will open a new window or tab displaying various sections of your account information. Navigate to the Subscriptions or Payments and Subscriptions section. This area houses all the subscriptions tied to your Google account, and it's here where you can manage each one. Look for the specific subscription you wish to cancel. Make sure to take note of any details related to billing cycles or renewal dates that might affect your decision. Once you've located the subscription, you should see an option to cancel it, usually in the form of a Cancel Subscription button. Before finalizing, Google may prompt you to confirm your decision to ensure it wasn't accidentally clicked. Follow any on-screen instructions provided to complete the cancellation. Upon successful cancellation, Google typically sends a confirmation email. Be sure to check your inbox for this confirmation message to ensure the cancellation process has been completed correctly. If you do not receive an email within a short period, double-check within your account settings to confirm that the subscription no longer appears in your active list. And that's it! You've now successfully canceled your Gmail app subscription. Remember, it's always a good idea to periodically review your subscriptions to manage finances effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you.